Welcome crafters! Today we're going to be making these pumpkin coasters so you can have your very own pumpkin patch in your living room.
For this video, I used some cotton yarn and a 5mm hook. We're going to be making each pumpkin part separately, and then the stem, and then finally the leaf.
Just a wood! So with that, let's get crafting.
Please remember to subscribe if you want more step-by-step videos. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Cross your yarn over and then pull a loop through that yarn. Then pull your crochet hook so it's snug and tight. We're going to start by chaining 12. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pinch the 12th loop and then you're going to chain 4 more. After that, you're going to double crochet into your loop number 12. So yarn over and then pull a loop through. Pull through 2 and pull through 2 more. Now you're going to double crochet a total of 11 more times down your chain. When you're all done this, you can join back with me. So there's the first part of our pumpkin. We should have a total of 13 stitches. That includes that chain 4 we did at the end. And now all that's left is to finish it off. So pull one more loop through, and then you can take your scissors and cut a tail. Then we can pull on our crochet hook to pull that string through. You're going to repeat this whole process 2 more times to make the rest of the middle pumpkin pieces. So once you're all done that, join back up with me and we can make the remaining 2 outside pieces. To create the outside 2 pieces, we're going to do the same technique as the middle 3. Start by creating a slip knot, and then this time we're going to chain only 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then pinch loop 8 and chain 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double crochet into loop 8, so yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. Then you're going to double crochet 7 more times down your chain. Once you're done this, you can join back up with me for the next part. So you should have a total of 8 stitches, and that includes that chain 4 we did at the end. Now you're going to want to repeat this 1 more time to get the other side of your pumpkin. Once you're done that, join back with me and we can connect all the pumpkin pieces together. We're going to start by slip knotting. Then we need to line our pumpkin pieces up. We're gonna start with the middle pieces. So you don't have to tie in too many ends at the end of the project. Lay the tails over the piece as well. Take your crochet hook and you're going to go in through the top of the double crochet at the end of this. So not the chain 4, you're going to go through that first double crochet that we did when we created these ends. We're gonna single crochet down to join our pumpkin parts. So pull a loop through and then pull through the 2 loops. And do this all the way down to join the pumpkin pieces together. Once you're all done this, you can join back up with me. So now you can see that we formed this ridge, and all that's left to do on this is just to finish it off. So pull a loop through one more time and then cut that tail. And pull on your crochet hook to pull that tail through. Now we can join our 3rd pumpkin piece together. Make sure when you line it up that you do it so you'll get the ridge on the same side as the other one that we already created. Once you're done that, join back up with me and then we can attach the outside parts of our pumpkin. When we add our 2 outside pieces, we're going to crochet them one up from the bottom of our pumpkin. Once again, start with a slip knot. So after we've lined them up, we're actually going to start crocheting from the bottom up instead of starting from the top down like we did with the other 3 middle pieces. You're gonna go into the top of the 2nd double crochet from the bottom, so not the first one, but the 2nd stitch of our middle pumpkin piece. And go through the first bottom stitch of our outside pumpkin piece. Just like our middle pieces, you're gonna single crochet all the way down. The only difference is this time, once we get to the end, we're going to single crochet into that top chain 4 that we have. And now we can finish off. And repeat this one more time to attach the other pumpkin side. Before we attach the stem, we're gonna weave in all of our ends. You can just cut off the ones we already weaved in, but you're gonna have to weave in the rest through the back side. It's starting to look like a pumpkin now. All we have to do is create the stem and leaf. We're going to start with a slip knot. Then we're going to go in through the very middle of our pumpkin, through that first loop from the chain 4 we did at the end of this row. So pull through and then pull through again. Next, chain 3. And double crochet 4 times across the top of our pumpkin. So yarn over, pull through, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. Then you're going to want to finish off the stem. To create the leaf, we're going to start with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to single crochet into our 4th loop. And chain 3 more. Then double crochet over through the next 2 loops. So yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through again, and pull through again. And then do that one more time. Yarn over, pull a loop through, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. And then single crochet through that last stitch there. To attach the leaf, we're going to single crochet. To do this, we're going to go around the 2nd double crochet of our stem. So go through all the way and around it, and then you're gonna pull the yarn through and then pull through the 2. Then finish off the leaf. And all that's left to do is weave in those extra loose ends through the back of the leaf and the back of the stem. And the project is now complete.
All right, well, thanks for joining me. I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna put out next month. Is also pumpkin themed. We're gonna make these pumpkin granny squares, as well as some other granny squares to join the blanket together. If you love fall and pumpkins as much as I do, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications just so you know when I put out the next video.